Okay, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. We're going to try this.
Okay, let's try.
So, laksa lemak dengan udon. Very special, okay? Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Okay, you guys. Okay, hari ni we are trying Cups Diem by my daughter, Ariana. Look, she's cooking.
Well, I finished cooking.
Look at that, she already... What do you call this?
Laksa lemak.
Laksa lemak.
Laksa lemak udon.
Laksa lemak udon. Ada. Ada.
Yeah.
Okay, we're gonna try.
Is it okay?
With prawn.
Let me step back a bit.
Oh, stand back. Okay. Prawn.